Good morning students, welcome back to physics class. As I said in the previous video, today we will learn about a few more characteristics of solid, liquid and gas. Before that, shall we recall the characteristics that we discussed in last video? Yes. Three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid: the state of matter in which constituent molecules are closely packed is known as solid, and intermolecular distance between the molecules of solid is very less. Intermolecular force is very strong, and solid expand very little on heating. Liquid: liquid is that state of matter in which the constituent molecules are not very closely packed. And what about the intermolecular distance? Yes, intermolecular distance between the molecules of liquid is more than the solid. Intermolecular force is very weaker in liquid, and heating causes expansion in liquids. Gas: the intermolecular distance between the molecules in gas is large, and intermolecular force is almost negligible. Heating causes expansion in gas. Now, are you all ready to learn about few more characteristics of these three states? Okay, solid: they have definite shape and size. Why? Because the molecules of solids are very tightly packed, so solids always have definite shape and size, and they have definite volume, and they are rigid. The molecules of solids remains fixed and vibrate about their mean position. That means the molecules of solids are fixed, but in their position they will vibrate. And solids cannot be compressed easily when pressed. Why they cannot be compressed easily? Because the molecules of solid are tightly packed. Very good. Next, about liquid. They do not have a fixed shape, and they take up the shape of the container they are poured in. We all know that. Next, they are less rigid as compared to solids. Molecules are not fixed at their position and can move freely. So the molecules of liquid are not fixed in a position, they can move freely. And like solids, liquids are almost incompressible. Next, gas. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. Gases are not at all rigid. The molecules in a gas move freely in all directions. So the molecules in gases are not fixed. They can move freely in all directions. And gases can be compressed to a large extent. Next, can these three states of matter be interchangeable? The answer is yes. The three states of matter are interchangeable. But how? By adding or removing heat. Yes, children, when you add heat, the molecules will gain more energy and they start to vibrate more. When they start to vibrate more, they start to occupy more space. When they start to occupy more space, they change their form of one matter to another state of matter. For example, when ice is heated, it melts and turns into water. In this case, ice is in solid state. So when the ice is heated, the molecules gain more energy and they start to vibrate more, and the intermolecular space increases. When the intermolecular space increases, the ice cube will change from solid state to liquid state. That is, the ice will turn into water. Then, when water is heated, it turns into water vapor. Got it, children? Okay. Just like water, other materials can also change from one state to another state through the following processes. They are melting, boiling, condensation, freezing, sublimation and deposition. So when a molecule gain energy, what happens? That is, when you heat a material, it changes from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. If you want to convert gas to liquid or liquid to solid, what you have to do? You have to remove heat from the material. With this, we come to an end of our lesson 1 matter, and here is an activity for you to do. Take a paper or a chart, make 3 columns in it for 3 states of matter, and write the characteristics of solid, liquid and gas, and also use your creativity to represent the molecular arrangement of solid, liquid and gas. Thank you, students. Take care.